ही असांजो हिकिड़ो नंढो प्रयास आहे ऐं तव्हां अफ्रीका में बि हिंदू धर्म जी रक्षा करे रहिया आहियो, इन लाइ तव्हांखे धन्यवाद। ऐं हिकिड़ी तव्हांखे कुझु पोयम चवणी हुई, अगरि तव्हां 1-2 मिंटनि में तव्हां ॻाए सघो त वेलकम।
Sure. ये poem I English में and this I have written about lot of Sindhis जेके सब समझी करे सब जानी करे कि सिंधी में अॼु छा थी रहियो आहे, कंहिंखां लिकल कोन्हे, एतिरा कन्वर्जन्स ऐं एतिरी हरासमेंट थिए पई, पर अनजान थी करे कुछ स्टेप नथा खणनि उन्हनि जे करे। Being a Sindhi, I am proud. It is a pun intended in the poem. Being a Sindhi, I am proud. Jhulelal, I chant around, whether or not with a prayerful sound. Yet I choose to turn a blind eye to the other Sindhis all around. There are those on the other shore for whom life's become a constant chore. In misery and pain they breathe. For religion's sake, they take a beat, whipped and stoned, shamed and tamed. Forced they are to chant Allah's name instead of Ram's holy name. And I, the proud Sindhi, do nothing and carry out with my selfish games. Living in comfort and luxury, I care not for their misery. It's boring to read news about them. It's a waste to watch videos of them. For do I care about their suffering? I am happy to place for God my offering. When God's creation wilts away like faded flowers, plucked from their seeds to be placed elsewhere. They may be Hindus like you and me, but that doesn't really bother me. Jhulelal will come and save them like he did for our ancestors. Why should I waste my energy? Why should I waste my time precious? It gives me absolutely no benefit. Those Hindus and Sindhis in my Sindh, are they made to be wasted like hyacinth? Tortured, abused, raped, converted? For they committed a very big sin by not being born of a certain religion, cursed day and night by the mighty men in a country where faith is given a run. Pointing fingers and hooking on the gun, by killing innocents, their prayers are done. And I give it no damn, for I am proud Sindhi under the sun. In my selfish manner, I ignore all pleas. I cut short to say I am helpless, but the truth is I care no less. For I believe in myself. By praying, singing, chanting, I become a proud Sindhi under the sun. Jhulelal shall forgive me for this run. I am shy to speak out my mind, or this is what I say. For no one will listen to me, I say, but the fact is, I do not know what to say. As I feel not the pain of my brethren, I let them live their sojourn, till death strikes a blow upon them. On their own land, they are traitors. For they converted not from their religion. So what if their houses got burnt? So what if their daughters face the brunt? I am safe in various parts of the world, making no noise, sitting in my peace. I care not for them. A proud Sindhi I am under the sun. Thank you.
Wow. ही हुई सिंध जे नियाणियुनि जी दशा ते हिकु सुंदर कविता ऐं पंहिंजे मन जा वीचार। थैंक यू वेरी मच मोनिका गोकलदास जी, तव्हां असांजे विच में आया।